In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install plugins for Photoshop step by step. Whether your plugin comes with an installer, a simple .8bf file, or through Adobe Creative Cloud, I'll walk you through each method so you can get your plugin up and running without any confusion. Plugins are a powerful way to expand Photoshop's features, improve your workflow, and unlock advanced effects. So if you want to level up your editing game, this is for you. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop guides. All right, let's get started. The first and easiest way to install a Photoshop plugin is by using an installer file. Many premium plugins and even some free ones come with a .exe installer for Windows or a .pkg file for Mac. First, download the plugin from the official developer's website. Make sure you're downloading from a trusted source to avoid any security issues. Once the file is downloaded, double-click the installer to launch it. The setup wizard will open and guide you through the installation process. In most cases, it will automatically detect the version of Photoshop installed on your computer. If prompted, select the correct Photoshop version from the list. Then simply click Install and wait for the process to finish. Once installation is complete, close the installer and restart Photoshop if it was open during installation. After Photoshop reopens, go to the top menu and click on Filter. You should see the plugin name listed there. Click on it and your plugin is ready to use. Now let's look at the second method, which is installing a plugin manually using a .8bf file. This is common with older plugins or lightweight free plugins. First, download the plugin file, which usually comes in a zip folder. After downloading, right-click the zip file and extract it to a location you can easily access, such as your desktop. Inside the extracted folder, you should see a file with the extension .8bf. This is the actual plugin file. Copy that .8bf file. Next, navigate to your Photoshop Plugins folder. On Windows, this is typically located at C, Program Files, Adobe Photoshop, Plugins. If you're on a Mac, you can find it inside Applications, then Adobe Photoshop, and then the Plugins folder. Once you're inside the Plugins folder, paste the .8bf file there. After pasting the file, close the folder and restart Photoshop. When Photoshop launches again, go to the Filter menu and you should see your newly installed plugin listed and ready to use. The third method is installing plugins through Adobe Creative Cloud. This is becoming more common, especially for modern extensions and marketplace plugins. Start by opening the Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. Once it opens, look for the Stock and Marketplace section, then click on Plugins. In the search bar, type the name of the plugin you want to install. When you find it, click the Install button. Creative Cloud will automatically connect the plugin to your installed version of Photoshop. After installation is complete, open Photoshop and you can start using the plugin right away. And that's it. Those are the three main ways to install plugins in Photoshop: using an installer, installing a .8bf file manually, or using Adobe Creative Cloud. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.